guys, today I have been invited to a yacht party, so let's go. Oh, caffeine! Yeah, you're right, yeah. Yeah, you're right, girl. Yeah. Oh, MJ! That's not MJ, what the hell are you? Anyway, give me some wine. Hey, you want some wine? Do you want some wine, crackhead? My wine! Give me this. Smack is on his bloody crackhead. You're right, mate. Oh, my hand slip! Oh, cut out, tough in front of the men. Yeah, try to stand up, mate. I'll drop kick you right in the ass. You're right. Yeah, I'm talking to you, mate. Yeah, looking at the shark and it's beautiful. Yay! Let's dangle you in the water for the shark. Shark, will you go for her? Ah, piss off. You wanna go? You wanna go? Move! I need to sit there. I know I don't actually. Hi. Move! I need to wash my hands. Let's go to party. Actually, I need to see this. Inside of here. What the fuck? Get out, my bed.
If you wake him up, you're dealing with him, not me.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, come here. Come here, you knobhead. Come here. Can't bloody reach you. Yeah, let's wake up, mate. And how about we give the shark some love and give him some food to eat, yeah? That's perfect. Fine by me. Now I've got a wife to do. I'm gonna grab you by the feet like P. Diddy. Come here. Come here. Ready for the Ferris wheel? Whee! Yeah, this one. Make sure you just get shiny airlines. Ow! What's over here? Whee! Oh, fuck off. Right, now, let's go up to the party room. So excited for this. Yeah, hey, get off me.
Don't just stand there. Come dance with us.
Yeah! I'm so drunk. Oh, yeah! Oh, shit! Oh, piss off! Yeah, come on, let's go, DJ. Let's go, DJ. Hit the floor. Oh, perfect shot there. That's why you're fair. Go get him, Sock. Oh, Shark, you good boy. You wanna go? You wanna fight, fam? Come on, boy. Be a good boy. What are you doing? Piss off. Right. Sing lounge. Oh, that's so wonderful. Actually, fuck off. Right, let's do. Oh, the last living human on this yacht. Perfect. You're right, crackhead. You're right. Oh, piss off. There we go, you crackhead. What? That sounds so strong. Oh, what are you doing? Look off. Anyway. Catherine. Let's jump in the water. Oh, shit. I didn't mean it.